Cryptocurrencies offer individuals control over their assets and access to a diverse global market. However, navigating the crypto sphere can be daunting, especially when securing cryptocurrencies, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and other forms of digital assets. This article aims to demystify the crucial components of crypto wallets and seed phrases, highlighting recovery options and alternative solutions like Zengo and Solana Saga Mobile. What is a crypto wallet? A physical wallet is where users store their cash and cards. Similarly, a crypto wallet serves as a digital vault for cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and other tokenized assets. Unlike traditional wallets, however, a crypto wallet doesn't store actual crypto assets. Instead, it holds the private keys, which act like passwords, granting users access to their funds on the blockchain. The importance of crypto wallet seed phrases. A seed phrase, or a recovery phrase, is a sequence of 12 or 24 randomly generated words. This phrase serves as the master key to a crypto wallet, allowing users to restore access if they lose their device or forget their password. When generated by a user's wallet software, these words are based on a standardized algorithm BIP39 and are unique to their wallet. They are designed to be easy for humans to write down and remember while being extremely difficult for others to guess or recreate. With great power comes great responsibility. As the sole gateway to users' crypto assets, securing their seed phrase is paramount. Users should not share their seed phrase with anyone. This includes family, friends, and even customer support representatives. The seed phrase is like a bank pin. Revealing it to anyone risks user funds. Additionally, users should store seed phrases offline. Storing it electronically, such as on a computer or phone, makes them vulnerable to hacking. On the contrary, users should keep it in a fireproof safe, a secure location like a safety deposit box, or use specialized metal sheets designed to withstand damage to ensure protection against physical threats like fire, water, or wear and tear. Moreover, holding multiple backups of a seed phrase is critical. This ensures users can access their funds even if one backup is lost or damaged. Recovering a crypto wallet with or without a seed phrase. Loss of access to a crypto wallet can be a stressful experience. Fortunately, recovery is relatively straightforward if users have their seed phrase stored somewhere safe. Recovering a wallet with a seed phrase. To recover a wallet with a seed phrase, follow the steps below. Download the appropriate wallet app. Make sure to download the official wallet app from the developer's website. Do not download apps from third-party sources. Select Recover Wallet or Import Wallet. The exact wording will vary depending on the app. Enter the seed phrase. Be careful to type the words exactly as they appear, including the correct order and capitalization. Create a new password. This password will be used to access the wallet on this device. Confirm the password. The wallet will be restored. Users may need to wait a few minutes for the wallet to synchronize with the blockchain. Recovering a wallet without a seed phrase. Unfortunately, recovering a crypto wallet without the seed phrase is generally impossible. The seed phrase is the only way to access the private keys that control crypto assets. Here are some options users can try if they do not have their seed phrase. Contact the wallet provider. Some wallet providers may be able to help users recover their wallets if they can provide them with enough information, such as email addresses or phone numbers. Hire a data recovery specialist. This is a last resort option, and it is not guaranteed to be successful. Data recovery may work if the seed phrase was stored in a file and the file was subsequently deleted. Data recovery tools help retrieve deleted files, including the seed phrase. Alternatives to traditional seed phrases for wallet recovery. As the Web3 space looks to onboard its first billion users, intuitive wallet experiences are critical. Seed phrases are a hindrance to that experience. Here are a few options that could enhance the crypto wallet experience without compromising security. Hardware security modules. Hardware security modules (HSMS) are dedicated hardware devices designed to protect cryptographic keys. HSMS perform essential cryptographic operations like encryption, decryption, digital signing, and authentication. These operations occur within the HSM secure environment, ensuring their integrity and authenticity. Biometric authentication. Biometric authentication uses unique biological traits like fingerprints, facial features, or iris patterns to verify a person's identity. In crypto wallets, it offers a convenient and secure way to access digital assets, replacing the traditional password or seed phrase approach. In a world of smartphones, this option offers the best user experience. However, some biometric data can be faked using advanced prosthetics. This can be an outlier when compared to risks with other wallet options. These solutions demonstrate a shift toward user-centric security in the crypto space, making it easier for individuals to manage their digital wealth without compromising safety. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative contents.